You searched how to buy shares of Peabody Energy Corporation, and this short guide will show the basic steps. Peabody Energy Corporation is a major coal producer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BTU, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the flow. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to your account to enable purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BTU to find the company listing. Locate the Peabody Energy Corporation entry and confirm it matches the company before proceeding. Open the asset page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker BTU to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example broker link, check the video description below.